guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sagarika and I really hope you all are doing great. So on today's video, I have created a look for myself on the occasion of Saraswati Puja. Now this look is all about, a breezy, easy, comfortable kind of look. Now that is because Saraswati Puja is literally a very hectic day, because you got to meet your friends, your relatives, your special ones, and you know the rest, how the day is. You got to go to different colleges, different schools where there are pujas and everything. So this is literally a very hectic day. Now when it's a hectic day, you would want something very comfortable to wear, and this saree. Now this saree is literally very comfortable because this is synthetic and I borrowed it from my mother. Now I really love the texture of it and the comfort of it. So I'm loving this saree and I have created this makeup look of mine, which is also very simple and light and easy, so so that I will be comfortable all throughout the day. Now this is it. I hope you guys will like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead. So right now I'll be using the Nivea soft moisturizer to moisturize my face. So I'll just take a bit of it and apply it all over my face. I'm done with my face, so it's time to moisturize my lips as well. So right now I'll be using the Disney lip gloss. It's in the Grape flavor. So I generally use Nivea lip balm or the Bora Plus, just a tint of it. So it varies time to time. So this time I'm using this. It's glittery, so let's just. So the lips are moisturized, and now let's go ahead. So now I'll be using the aloe vera gel from Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel to prime up my face. On this portion, on this portion, and let it set for some time before I proceed on with the makeup. Maybe some 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So thing like that. Once you feel the skin has absorbed it well, now it's time to move on with the other process. So for basing my skin, I don't like applying those heavy foundations again, because it's too hot, and literally I'm out with one. And I generally don't use foundations as such, because my life is really a hectic one, because I'm a college going student, so I need to go to the college, so foundation is not a good thing for me. So this is the BB Plus, which works as the foundation as well, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. So for my face, and some generous amount on my neck as well, because to even out the skin tones. Now you can use a brush. So for today I'll be using the brush, and it's like trust me, it's better with hands, as they say, blend it. So I'll use my hands as well to blend it. I just tried it with a brush, but it's not giving me the finish that I wanted, so hands in the bun. Now if you have lots of dark circles, you can apply it even more, since I'm again not using the concealer. So just some more. And I will not commit the mistake of using the brush again, so with hands. BB Plus blends well with hands. Like, this was the first time that I tried with a brush, because I'm not a pro with a brush. So And now it's time to set the makeup with this Maybelline Super Fresh Maybelline New York Super White Super Fresh. Just take a generous amount of it and dab it all over your face. Now it's time for the eye portion. So I will be using the Attitude eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this shade. Let me just look for the name. I really hate when the names are not written here, you know, so you have to search it in the back side. So I guess it's bronze. It's in the shade bronze. I'll be using this and applying. And I'll be using the brown shaded one here. It's in I guess golden brown. So yeah. Same with the other eye. So this is it. This is how it looks right now, and I will be heading on with the mascara. It's the Maybelline Hypercurl. So firstly, I don't really like falsies. I'm not a very big fan of falsies because, you know, I would not like my eyes to be heavy and something falls on it. So mascara is the only option for me. So and for the waterline, for the bottom portion of my eyes, I will be using the Elle Eye Drama Kajal. So I guess I'm done with my eyes. Yeah, I guess for my cheeks, I'll start with the Attitude Blusher Duo. It's again from Amway, the Attitude. So again, it comes with a mirror and applicator as well. So I'll be using the applicator of it. So I'm sorry. Since I'm wearing a saree with this yellow tone and everything, it's a bit warm. So I'll be using the orange one today. Just let's move on with the highlighter. So I will be using the Nikka K Duo highlighter, and since it doesn't come with an applicator, I'll be using the same thing. Again, since it's warm, I'll be using this shade because I literally cannot find the name. If you can see it, I literally cannot find the name out here anyway. So I'll be using this a bit warm shaded one, and so it's almost done. And again on the tip of my nose. So I guess it's almost done, and heading on I will be moving with for the lips I will be using the Attitudes lipstick again. It's in Raspberry Crush, and so let me just part my hairs this way, and I guess it's good to go. I guess it's good to go, right? It ain't that bad. So I have further completed the look with this beautiful earrings which I bought from the Fancy Bazaar area, and I have left my hair open, so just as it is. And this is it for today. I am all ready to go out with my friends and enjoy the Saraswati Puja. And here I will take leave from you guys, and I'll see you the next time. And till then, stay well, stay safe, and God bless you all, and I will see you very soon. Bye.